An apple? What am I supposed to do with an apple? Who brings an apple to a gunfight?
You wanted to sneak.
Throw it out there.
I had it under control.
Yeah, I'm sure you did. We have to go. Now.
An apple? What am I supposed to do with an apple?
Okay, so my boss hit me up. He needs some sci-fi guns. We're gonna go sci-fi, so let's see. I couldn't find any. So I'm going to get my picture. Grab some. Okay, so this is what I was thinking. So the guards will be somewhere where, like, you know, Mike is. And then it depends how you want it. Me and homegirl will be like, this is basically it, you know, or we could be over there. Did I hit you right there? I don't know. It's getting a little red, but I don't know if that, it could just be my pants rubbing. Oh, there. Here we go. Look at that. I was shaking. Concentration, bro. Shut the fuck up. I'm gonna yell at him. I don't want to be in the area. Oh, I missed it completely. It's hot. I butchered those lines that time.
Damn, your words are very powerful. You said what's up and knock us out. Mike, you're looking pretty spiffy.
I tried.
Oh, yeah. So you want to give us a quick rundown on what's happening today?
Just putting some green light up against the wall. We're gonna have a couple guys singing.
Yeah.
And then the action part comes after the singing. And like fireworks coming down, a couple explosions maybe.
Neat.
Hoping Santa shows up, but we'll see.
Oh man, Santa? Oh dude.
Killer Santa?
Oh fuck, dude. I got my list and everything I wanted to. Just by chance. Oh man.
We do have a map, so when we do get into action, we won't be following.
Thankfully, we're also somewhat heavily padded.
Everyone but Mike.
Well, then he's not gonna. Well, then he doesn't have to get slammed onto the floor. Ain't that right, Mike? You don't want to get slammed on the floor. Yeah, there it is.
You got the camera?
So yeah, this is the spot we're gonna be filming today, and I have onesies. So Charles, wanna give us a quick rundown on what we're filming here today?
So
Or
we
tonight.
are going to do part of Ryan's action scene challenge, which is a 60-second challenge. We have to say a dialogue of their choosing of 4 different little sayings, and this is our location.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try to make a kick-ass. Oh, we're gonna try to make a kick butt. 60-second action short.
Why'd you change it to kick butt? You don't want to get demonetized?
You can't cuss at it.
Oh. Oh crap.
Mm-hmm.
Let
me start this all over.
Yeah. We're just gonna censor some stuff that I may or may not have said.
Yeah, we can.
Just every time I cuss, make it a horse neigh. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, good.
Big things. Somebody owes me some stuff. I have it no more.
What, in a laser tag get up?
Laser tag, you wish it was laser tag so I don't get my nipples pinched. You guys ready? We're ready.
Yeah. I'm dying. I'm overheating. That's dedication right there, ladies and gentlemen. Mike at his finest. I noticed I can't talk and film with this. Oh no, that's not shaky. I'm good now. Alright. So I'm guessing that we're going to get started right now then?
Mike's so confident. Yeah, we're about to start.
Alright.
Alright guys, I'm going to get out because I need this. We're not going to do this on a professional camera. We're going to use my phone. So,
Oh, neat.
yeah. Peace out.
Goodbye, live.
You have to be like, they said, be as creative as you can. Ready? Okay, roll it. And action.
It's my first day, man. Don't make me do it. Don't make me. Oh, God. Is this thing even loaded? I thought you were going to come in.
Okay, still rolling. Okay, what did you just tell me?
Alright, so that's the whole sequence, and this little clip, right, this little highlighted area, not the highlighted, the highlighted area right there is 60 seconds.
And that's how much footage we're gonna have to go through. Ooh.
So watch this.
Of our cell phone footage.
Total, roughly 26 minutes. Oh my god. Dude.
26 minutes?
Yeah. Fuck, are you kidding me, dude?
Fun.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
In graphic design for that, and I wanted to be like in film and stuff. Like, I wanted to do movie trailers, I wanted to do like movie mashups, I wanted to do all that. But at the time, it was really hard to get a hold of good quality clips. You're still at Murdoch, right?
So I planned on being done with this on Friday because I have a side project, a freelance project that's due like 2 days ago. So I told him that I'd be due on Monday. Well, I told him he was supposed to be due today, actually. I'm gonna try to push it to Monday. Supposed to be, I want to be done with this tonight, but it doesn't look like I'm going to. Okay, so I didn't like the effects yesterday, so I stayed up to about 3:30 and I erased them today because I didn't like them. I went to bed with my kids. My kids are already asleep. I went to bed at like 4:30. I'm way behind schedule. Let's see this. So because you guys won't be able to see all this. Why? Because it's gonna be so fast. I'm not gonna see all that. So what do we got going on here? So, it is, you guys heard me yesterday. I wanted to be done with this by yesterday. It ended up being too late. When I woke up in the morning, I said, I was using a lot of stock muzzle flashes and stuff. Hated them. So I designed it to mask and make my own muzzle flashes out of scratch. And I think it's gonna work. The only thing is, I wanted to be done yesterday. It is 3 in the morning and I still have tons to do. Tons. There's a neck whip. There's gonna be this necklace that I take off and powered on with electricity. It's, if we film 60 frames per second, so frames per second, when you make a movie, how you make a movie is it's pictures. So every second it's taking pictures to make it move, you know? Me and Mike are pretty big fans of 60 frames per second, which means for 1 second that you're seeing is 60 pictures. And that's how the movement, so you know, like 1, 2, that'd be 120. 120 pictures to make me do 1, 2. The problem with that is when you're doing effects and it's frame by frame. So, oh, jeez. It's 5 a.m. I got the effects done. But I gotta make up the song for this, and the really cool thing about it though is before the punch happens, that I punch the first bad guy played by Patrick, the piano you hear, well, it's a synthesizer, but it's actually my son playing, which was really cool. It's really cool. We gotta kind of make the music together, and then at least that, and then after the punch it's me. But actually that's the more crazy part. I hope you guys dig the video that we put out for the contest. It was fun, it was tiring, it was hard, but it was fun. All you guys have a good night. I had it under control.
Yeah, I'm sure you did. We have to go. Now.